When tracing the history of religion, some suggest that humanity began in the darkness of polytheism, with progress over time leading gradually toward the light of monotheism. However, the true Quranic version proclaims that humanity began in the full light of truth. God's first creation was the first recipient of divine truth, which showed him the right way of life. For a time, humanity followed this right path and lived as one community. Over time, people invented new ways, not because truth was unknown to them, but because some willfully sought illegitimate privileges. This behavior led to injustice, prompting God to send prophets. The prophets were not sent to found new religions in their own names, but to illuminate the truth that had been lost and to unite people as one community again. So let's listen to a simple understanding, close to its translation of verse 213 of chapter 2, after we do our required supplication. I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. In the beginning, mankind followed one single way. Later on, this state ended and differences arose. Then Allah sent forth prophets as heralds of good tidings for the righteous and as warners against the consequences of evil doing. He sent down with them the book embodying the truth so that it might judge among people in their disputes. And those who innovated divergent ways rather than follow the truth were none other than those who had received the knowledge of the truth and clear guidance, and they did so to commit excesses against each other. So by His leave, Allah directed the believers to the right way in matters on which they disagreed. Allah guides whomsoever He wills onto a straight way.